From the outside, you might not even notice them. But inside, they're a place for cancer patients and their caregivers to come to get well, to find healing and hope. This is the American Cancer Society Hope Lodge, where hope lives.
I was having this pain in my abdomen, and I thought it would go away. It was a pretty rare type of lymphoma. There's only a couple hundred cases in the country every year. We were thinking to ourselves, we need to be close to where I'm getting treatment. We need to be in a location that has superior hospitals. So at that point, we were discussing, okay, what are we going to do? How are we going to stay down in the city for that period of time, for that, for months? And we ended up getting a reference from our social worker at the hospital saying, there's this place called the Hope Lodge.
I was diagnosed with T-cell lymphoblastic lymphoma, borderline leukemia. I think my mom actually called the American Cancer Society first for me, that I learned about the Hope Lodge. I mean, this is a godsend for anyone, whether you have money, whether you're poor. I mean, no one can afford to go through some of these cancer treatments and get a hotel when you have to stay 6 weeks to 4 or 5 months.
I just felt like we had just had a blessing from God, that it was this place that not only was it beautiful, but then they told us that it was free. When we got to the Hope Lodge, we had our own room, we had just everything that we needed laid out for us, and it was, I've used the expression many times before, it was a home away from home.
The American Cancer Society Hope Lodge program focuses on offering free accommodations to patients whose best treatment option is away from home. Each Hope Lodge offers home-like accommodations, private bedrooms and bathrooms, kitchens, laundry facilities, and comfortable gathering spaces for cancer patients and their caregivers.
It's set up very cozy and friendly.
But it's more than that, too. It's a place where patients and caregivers can connect with others who are going through the same thing.
Everybody there was just so supportive. The staff was amazing. You're going through something like that, to be able to come back at the end of your treatment after spending a week in the hospital, to come back to a location like that was just fantastic.
And it's a place for information. Hope Lodge guests have access to the American Cancer Society's call center and website, as well as a comprehensive library on site designed to help patients and caregivers make informed decisions.
Well, we have more than 30 American Cancer Society Hope Lodges and serve more than 50,000 cancer patients and their caregivers every year.
Well, a Hope Lodge in a community provides an opportunity for anybody in any socioeconomic level to stay in a wonderful facility that's nurturing and supportive during the cancer experience. So it truly improves the quality of life, not only of the cancer patient and his or her family, but of the whole community.
Everyone that comes through that door knows what you're going through.
I know that we couldn't have done it without that. I don't know what we would have done if not for the Hope Lodge.
To find out more about Hope Lodge, contact your American Cancer Society by phone at 800-227-2345 or visit us online at cancer.org/hopelodge.